Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing gear that gets you through the ceremony. It matters because you can't reshoot emotions. Once you arrive, set one camera on the main aisle with a 24-70 for wide to mid coverage and a second with a 7200 for tight, candid shots. Make sure batteries are in, cards formatted, and exposure locked. This prevents flicker and missed vows. While doing that, check angles for backlighting so you can plan fill light or reflectors. Once cameras are rolling, you need to balance coverage with subtlety so guests stay natural. That's why you alternate wide, medium, and tight frames. Use shove cuts, start wide, move to a close-up, to create emotional edits later. Make sure to record continuous ambient room tone for smooth audio beds and monitor levels to avoid clipping. For portraits, direct couples into flattering light, maintain a consistent distance, and vary focal length for dynamic. You finish by securing footage immediately. Transfer files to 2 backup drives and confirm checksums so nothing vanishes. Then create an edit timeline using ceremony markers and cutaways to build emotional pacing, and color grade to match scenes for continuity. Make sure to fix audio problems early. If a mic clipped, replace with backup recorder plus room tone. If footage is shaky, apply stabilization selectively so motion remains natural. Finally, export high-res masters and web deliverables for the couple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.